Christmas is a magical time of the year and the perfect time to explore somewhere new. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the best places to travel to at Christmas. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, we have New York City. There is something truly magical about visiting New York City during December. The Christmas lights are in full swing, trees adorn every shop window, ice skating rinks outside Rockefeller Center and inside Central Park, and there is a festive buzz in the air. Whilst you're in New York at Christmas, make sure to not miss the iconic tree outside Rockefeller, watch the light show at Saks Fifth Avenue, watch the Christmas Spectacular at Radio City Music Hall, and head to the Winter Village at Bryant Park. Next we have Copenhagen, Denmark. So every year, Copenhagen is transformed into a Christmas spectacular. With 500,000 lights and dozens of Christmas trees covering the city, it is hard not to feel merry whilst visiting. Visit the Christmas markets, sip some Danish mulled wine, and enjoy the country's pork roast snack. For a magical experience, head to one of the many nearby fairy tale-like castles. Just make sure to wrap up warm. Just north of the Arctic Circle, Lapland is the place to go, especially if you have children or if you're a big kid at heart. Here you can meet Santa, make gingerbread cookies with Mrs. Claus, go to elf school, and even write your Christmas wish list with traditional quills. Next we have Dublin, Ireland. So Dublin is always a great place to go for getting merry and having some fun, so imagine the city in December. With festive menus across the city, ice rinks and carols at St. Patrick's Cathedral, along with decorations adorning every tree, Dublin is a great place to visit at Christmas. Next we have Salzburg, Austria. Salzburg is the perfect Christmas escape in Europe, with a festive market that attracts thousands of tourists every year. Most cities and towns in Austria hold their own Christmas market, meaning that you can take a few day trips out to the nearby towns and still have a festive experience. Next we have London, England. So I may be biased, but I love Christmas in London. Head to Oxford Street to see the Christmas lights or visit Hyde Park for the magical Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland is more than just a Christmas market. You can find ice skating rinks, ice sculptures, rides, bars, food courts, and even a circus. For something a little colder, head to Quebec City, Canada. The city comes to life in the winter, with old Quebec transforming into a picturesque Christmas village, complete with sausage stands and roasted chestnuts. Decorations can be found all over the city, and there are plenty of festivities to find. Take a walking tour around the city to take in all of the shop displays, bright lights and decorations before heading to a Christmas market in the evening. For those that are looking for a warmer winter, head to Thailand. So Christmas in Bangkok is fun and exciting, with many restaurants and bars offering special festive menus, while stores and shopping malls come to life with decorations. Once you've spent a few days in the city, head down south to one of the islands and relax on the beach, taking in the warm weather and enjoying a peaceful Christmas. Next we have Iceland. So head to Iceland for the perfect white Christmas. Watch the northern lights, see the sights, and enjoy the Yule Town Christmas market in the capital. And finally, we have Germany. Germany is the home of bustling cities that are transformed at Christmas time. Berlin, Cologne and Frankfurt are just a few of the popular places to visit during December. The cities come to life with Christmas markets, Christmas lights and decorations. Watch this video for the most unique hotels to visit in the world. Then, to find the cheapest destinations in the world, watch this video. Wherever you choose to visit, we hope you have a wonderful Christmas and stay creative.